Welcome to Coach Wagner's Math. Today we're going to talk a little bit about angles. An angle is formed by two rays with a common endpoint. This common endpoint is called the vertex, and the rays are called the sides of your angle. Naming an angle, you want to use three letters. The middle letter must always represent the vertex. For example, angle ABC or angle CBA. Using a single letter only if there's one angle. So right here, one angle, we could choose to call that angle B and just name it based on the vertex. So looking at types of angle, last piece here. When referring to the measure of an angle, use the lowercase m. M stands for the measure. That little symbol right there stands for angle. So the measure of angle ABC is 60 degrees. Looking at types of angles, first one we've got here, we would classify this as acute. It is less than 90 degrees. We'd classify the second one as obtuse, more than 90 degrees. The third one we'd call right because it is 90 degrees. And the last one we're going to call straight. This straight angle is also known as a line. So, looking down below, example 1, name the vertex of the angle. The vertex would be point K. The sides of my angle would be my two rays, ray KL and ray KJ. Reminder, on rays, your endpoint must be the first letter, and the direction you're headed is always the second one. Giving three ways to name the angle. I could say angle JKL. I could say angle LKJ. Notice the middle is the vertex. Or because it's one angle, I could say angle K. Classifying my angle, I'm going to look back up here. I've got four options. In this case, it would be obtuse. It is more than 90 degrees. Example 2. As I look at example 2, naming the vertex would be point S. Naming the sides of my angles, I would say ray ST and ray SR. Three names for this angle, we could say angle RST, vertex in the middle, or angle TSR, again vertex in the middle, or because there's one angle, I could say angle S. That box right there tells me it's a 90-degree angle, so when I classify, I would tell you that it is a right triangle. Or excuse me, not a right triangle, but just a right angle. Looking down below, congruent angles. A lot of people are telling me they're not quite sure what the word congruent means. So, know that congruent is the same size and the same shape. Know that as we are doing this, we use size. We talk about the same size. That would be our symbol to show same size. It'd be similar. Same shape. We're going to talk about the measures being equal. And when we put those together, that is where we're going to say that it is written as congruence with both of those symbols. So, if the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B, then the angles are congruent. This is written as angle A, same shape, same size, is congruent to angle B. Flipping over on the back. Oops, don't have my back sitting here. We will pause for just a minute and we'll be back with the rest of the video.